So yes, we are doing this question. This question was asked, there is 5:13. So when in major there is the 90 angle, like the question we have done in the last video, but here we were doing last part. So 5:13. So the key fact says you can add x between them. So you will add these, you will find 18x right angle, which means 90-degree angle. When you'll divide, you'll find 5. So now they're saying multiply with the largest or greatest value. 13 here is the greatest. So 13 multiplied by 5, you will get the answer, which is 65. So this means this was the right answer. Till this we were done. Now here is example 5. You can read this. This is very easy. So Frenel's frozen yogurt, which sells 3 flavors: vanilla, chocolate and coffee. One day Frankie sold 250 cones and the ratio of vanilla chocolate to coffee was 8, 17, 15. How many chocolate cones were sold that day? So now let me just remove this. This is also very easy question, I think. So now the value which you got is 8x, which is added like this. Means this was the one day coffee sold, this was the second day vanilla sold, third chocolate sold, like this the only ratio. 16x, which will be added by 15x, and this is also telling you the entire ratio of the cones, which is 240. So first, as I just told you, when you make data, you will find it easy to do. So just add 8x plus 17x plus 15x, and these would be added. You will find that these are equal to 40, which is equal to 240. Here would be x as well, because we know there is written x. So x would be here, 40 here is multiplying. When it will go on the next side, you will see it is dividing. 240, which will be divided. So when you will cut these both, you'll find 46 240. So this means x is equal to 6. But here the answer does not complete. They are asking more, what would be the cones which are sold on that day. So now, as I just told you, the greater value in these all would be multiplied. So 8, 17 and 15, which one is greater? Of course 17. So 17x, which would be multiplied with the term like 6, which is the answer. So when you multiply these, you find the answer, which is 102. And yes, this is the right answer here. Okay, I'm sure you've gotten. So now let's move to key fact D3. What does this mean? This is showing the applies to extended ratio. Key fact D1, which was applied to extended ratio. So this tells a set of objects which is divided into 3 groups into ratio A, B and C. First group, okay. So this is related to first key fact. In first key fact, you just saw this was like A plus B. When you were supposed to find A value, A plus B. When you're supposed to find B value, B was placed on the upper side. Like second equation, A plus B, same. Okay, this was a key fact 1. Now what they're asking here, they're telling here, now if you want to find, you can also add 3 terms. So you can also write these A. If you're finding A, you can also add A. There would be addition of B, addition with C. Okay, and if you want to find B, the same you can write, but on the upper side, A plus B plus C. Okay, let me just erase this. You can also add C. A plus B plus C. Okay, this is the key facts. Now if you move towards the question, if the ratio of the vanilla to chocolate to coffee which sold at the Franklin was 8:17 on a particular day. So now they're asking what would be the percentage that she sold related to like chocolate percentage they're asking. Okay, so let me erase again. So we know the chocolate were about 17 ratio. So this means 17 we know vanilla. That means it was 8 chocolate, it was 17 coffee, which was 15. So 17, then these 3 would be added, 8 plus 17 plus 15. Okay, so when you will add these, you will find that 17 upon 40 we know we calculated in last step. When you will divide, you will find that this percentage is 2.5 percentage is the chocolate which was sold in these all. Like from 40, 17% was sold chocolate, which is equal to 42.5 percentage, whereas other were vanilla and coffee flavor. So we were only supposed to